Okay, so my truck died for no apparent reason. Just quit. No rattles, no bangs, not a damn thing. I went online, checked out a bunch of videos for the same problem. Got everything from fuel pump to cam position sensor to coil sensor, coil distributor, the whole works. Couldn't find it. We traced this truck from asshole to breakfast time. Not a thing showed up. So, accidentally more than anything, I spot this little connector here. And we had, as I said, tested everything else, the coil for spark and yada, 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 yada. Nothing. I went to take this off, and this wire here had broken off inside. That's all it was. Just one little feckin' wire, and we spent hours out here trying to get that thing done. Soldered that connector back inside. It's a bitch to take apart. So we did that, and my friend Ernie here, he helped me, and he's being an asshat snore. Little comic relief there. Anyway, that's all it was. So if your truck just quits like that, this is a 2005 Chevy Silverado with a 4.3 liter V6 in it. If your truck dies, check the simple thing like that first. It might save you a lot of work. Adios, amigos.